Well, hello everyone. Is it me or is it you? Am I the only one seeing myself different right now? Is it me or is it you? Am I the only one seeing myself different right now? Oh, I got skinny. Well, it doesn't matter anyway. Before we begin the lesson, let me share something. Are you guys familiar with this one? Gosh, I so love watching this series. This actor seems to be familiar. Where did I see that guy? Can't remember. Well, if you know him, please comment down below.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Well, hi there everyone, it's me, Teacher Gene. I'm a passionate tech teacher who teaches ICT subjects in our school. And here I am today to discuss with you some ideas about word processing. Okay, let's begin. Well, I have here the most popular of them all. I have Microsoft Word. And I'm also using the 365 version anyway. Microsoft Word is a word processing application. If we say word processing application, it is used to create, edit, save, and print documents. Now, way back 2006, when I was still a student, high school student actually, that was the first time I was able to use Microsoft Word, but it was still version 98 if hindi ako nagkakamali. And some of my titas and everyone were using typewriter. Now, can you imagine the days where people use the typewriter? Imagine if someone is typing hundreds of pages using the typewriter. Now, imagine the difference between the height of each keys in a computer keyboard and the typewriter. So, magkaiba sila. The typewriter's key is much higher. Kailangan talaga ng pwersa to press the key. And imagine if we are still using the typewriter in work this year, 2021. Now, doing homework, doing research, printing materials, using the typewriter. Mahirap, right? It will take us a lot of time to finish our work. Now, just a quick question, guys. What are the documents you have already created or edited using Microsoft Word? Now, I'm curious about it. So, what were the problems you encountered? Nung unang tingin ko pa lang sa application nung high school ako, parang it's really hard to manipulate the application because in the interface, I see a lot of tools. I see a lot of objects and I really don't know the functions of each. So, nahihirapan ako. So, if you have any answer to this question, kindly drop your answer below the comment section. So, what are the documents na ginagawa? So, most commonly is the resume. This is your partner when you want to craft your own resume. It has a lot of tools, the basic formatting tools to craft your resume. And we also have lesson plans, especially for us teachers. Microsoft Office as my word processing app is the main deal. Okay, and we also have the most popular of them all. We have the learning modules, which we prepare every day and then distribute it to you guys. Okay, so those are some examples of document that we can do with Microsoft Word. Well, in our future lessons, you will be required to craft your own resume too. So it's good to prepare it as early as possible. I'll send you the details later on. Now, now let's try to identify some parts. So here, I have the quick access toolbar. The yellow part here, the one that I highlighted, this is called your quick access toolbar. Quick access because you can actually see the icon here wherein you can redo or undo what you are doing. And also we have an icon here, a drop down icon wherein you can customize your quick access toolbar. Well, that depends on how you want to customize it though. Now we also have, let me change the color. Now we also have the title bar. We have the title bar here. Oh, it's almost the same. I chose green, but it's kind of yellow too. So we have the title bar. Oh, wait. So the first one was the quick access toolbar. And the next one is the title bar. In the title bar, well, it obviously shows you the document title after saving it. Okay, this is the title bar, and also we have the search bar. This one. The search bar simply allows you to find words, phrases, numbers, or even symbols in the document. Say for example, if you want to search for the word access, then you only have to type here. So type the word access here and then press enter, and then wait for the result, and then it will show you where the word access is. Okay, number 4, we also have user account. For the user account, here, my account is actually a work type account. If we say work type, I have the privilege of accessing more tools of the application. So it shows you the registered Microsoft user accounts. This is a Microsoft registered user account actually under the department education domain. Okay, so we also have the maximize, the usual one, the most common part of the interface is your maximize, minimize, and close button. So this is used to adjust the work area and close the application. Okay. Now we also have some parts below. Now focus on this one. In this part, we have several tabs, but we call this as the menu bar. As one, we call this as the menu bar. Okay? In each tab, there consists different tools based on the function of each tab. Let's say, for example, the Home tab. The Home tab shows you the basic formatting tools. Like, for example, if you want to use the bullet type, tool to convert the sentences or whatsoever, to convert it into bullet form, you just click this one. We also have the number type, and we also have some alignment here, alignment tool. So we have the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify, and so on and so forth. In the future, we'll be using this one. Let's just wait. And we also have the document page. The document page is your work area. It is where you type in the data. So this is your document page. And we also have the ruler. So for the ruler, ayan, for the ruler, this one, you have the ruler here, we have the ruler there. So the ruler actually is your guide. So if you try to look at this one, we have an arrow here pointing there. This means that the arrow pointing there is the margin here, as well as this one. That is the margin. So the ribbon basically shows all the function. I know the ruler is used to adjust margins manually, so it serves also as a guide. Okay, next is the page count. The page count is used to show you how many pages or words have you created already. So that is the page count. Now we also have the ribbon. The ribbon basically shows all the functions and tools per tab. Now, where is the ribbon? The ribbon is simply the whole of this. The ruler not included. So all the functions and tools under the tab is your ribbon. Okay, so that's the ribbon. Now we also have the scroll bar. For the scroll bar, it's a basic tool that we always encounter. We have the scroll bar here. It simply lets you scroll down or scroll up. That's the scroll bar, to navigate or see the rest of the pages that is covered. So that's the scroll bar. Okay, so these are the things that you need to familiarize, right? Now let me erase all the ink already. So these are the things that you need to familiarize. Okay, if you're able to do that, you'll be able to work fast. Now, just remember, if you want a good word processing app, go for Microsoft Word. Okay, because in the future, when you get to land a decent job, you will always be using the application, especially in office work or clerical work or some sort of. Well, for me, I've been using Microsoft Word for almost 15 years now. And I can still remember I started using this app way back 2006. I was still in high school. And Microsoft Office 98 is the version then. And I always love to explore Microsoft Word. There are a lot of things that we need to learn using Microsoft Word, but for now, some ideas would suffice our lesson, right? Okay, so I still remember the time when we only have the floppy disk drive. Okay, can you remember the floppy disk drive, or have you seen one? Okay, well, for me, that was the first storage device that I had. And I was copying some videos and music from my teacher and save it to my 1.44 MB thingy device, the floppy disk drive. And yeah, that's how small documents were. Okay, so I think that's it from me. Thank you for joining and watching the video. I hope you learned something. To my grade 9 students, kindly check your Google Classroom for the activity regarding this lesson. Oh, and by the way, for you guys, please don't forget to subscribe and please do hit the like button for updates. Drop a comment as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.